Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its incredible health benefit. But recently, it's been gaining popularity worldwide. Good reason. This ancient remedy combines turmeric, milk, and a few other simple ingredients, creating a powerhouse drink. Today, we're going to uncover some of the surprising health benefits of turmeric milk and how it could boost your overall well-being. First off, turmeric milk is known to give your immune system a major boost. Thanks to curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, this golden spice can help your body fight off infections and illness. Research has shown that curcumin can enhance the activity of immune cells and may even help reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. So if you're looking for a natural way to strengthen your immune system, turmeric milk is a great addition to your diet. Next, turmeric is famous for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. Drinking turmeric milk regularly can help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating joint pain and stiffness, especially for those with arthritis. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin can block certain enzymes responsible for inflammation, making turmeric milk an excellent natural remedy for anyone suffering from chronic pain. Turmeric milk is also a great way to support your digestive health. Turmeric has been used traditionally to soothe digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. Studies suggest that curcumin stimulates bile production, which aids digestion and helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. If you're someone who experiences occasional digestive discomfort, adding turmeric milk to your routine could make a noticeable difference. Did you know that turmeric milk may also benefit your brain? Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly impact brain cells. Some research even suggests that turmeric may help prevent or delay neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin supports brain health and may even improve memory and focus. So, drinking turmeric milk doesn't just benefit your body, it helps your mind too. Now let's talk about how to make this golden drink. It's easy. Start with a cup of warm milk. Plant-based options like almond or coconut milk work well too. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper, and a bit of honey or maple syrup to sweeten it. You can even add a touch of cinnamon or ginger for extra flavor and health benefit. Black pepper is essential, as it enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Stir everything together, and you've got yourself a delicious, healthy drink that's perfect for winding down after a long day. So there you have it. Turmeric milk isn't just a tasty treat, but a natural remedy packed with surprising health benefits. From boosting your immune system to protecting your brain, this simple drink is worth adding to your daily routine. Try it out and experience the golden magic for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and wellness advice.